The Scion Group faced a challenge, deploying IP cameras in student housing without disrupting residents or incurring high costs. That's when they partnered with SightLink and NVT Phybridge. The Scion Group used the NVT Phybridge Clear family to deploy IP cameras over the existing and proven coax-based infrastructure while using the 1701 Plus solution to do the same over the existing Cat5 infrastructure. This innovative approach ensured a seamless, cost-effective, and non-disruptive migration across 3 locations in just 3 days per site, reducing deployment time by 50% and cutting costs by 60%. By repurposing existing infrastructure, the Scion Group avoided unnecessary complexity and security concerns, all while aligning the outcomes of the project with existing sustainable goals. Impressed by the results, the Scion Group plans to expand NVT Phybridge solutions to ensure secure, efficient, and sustainable upgrades across future projects. NVT Phybridge, making IP migration simple, secure, and cost-effective. Contact us to learn more.